If you want to get free Instagram followers just like this, then watch this video down to the end and I'm going to show you exactly how to do it. All you're going to need is your mobile phone. I'm going to open my Instagram account right now to show you the amount of followers that I have at the moment. This is my Instagram account. I'm going to go to my profile. You can check the username here at the top left corner. You're going to need your very own username to get the followers on your own account. And as you can see here, I only have 34 followers right now, but that's going to change soon. So to get more followers, it's very easy. All you need to do here is you need to close your Instagram app, open your browser, and go to this website, which is 𝐏𝐫𝐨𝐨𝐟. So 𝐏𝐫𝐵𝐿𝐿.com is the website that you need to go. And once you are on this page, the first step is that you need to enter your username. This also works for TikTok, but on this tutorial, I'm only going to show you how to do it on your Instagram account. So once you are on this window, enter your Instagram username or your TikTok username and then tap on continue. The next step is very easy. So I did tap on Instagram now and continue. This is the last or the next step. To gather followers, you can get anything from 250 to 1,000 followers. But as you can reach here at the center of the screen is set to meet the complete offers depending on the amount of followers that you want. If you want 250, you need to complete one offer. If you want 500, 2 offers. And if you want 1,000 followers, you need to complete 3 offers. In my case, I'm going to choose 250 and tap on continue. The offers most of the time are apps that you need to install and they have some instructions below their names. For example, as you see here, there's an app called Travel Town. It says you need to download it and reach level 9 to get the followers. But as they see, there are other apps as well. You need to simply choose one of them. In my case, I'm going to choose Travel Town. I'm going to install it and then reach level 9 in the game because that's what the requirements are. And as soon as I reach level 9, I'm going to get the followers. Now, depending on the country you're watching this video from, you might get different apps to download with different instructions, so don't worry if you don't see the apps that are on my list. Alright, so once you reach level 9 on Travel Town, you need to close the game and then go back to your Instagram account. And I'm going to do the same thing right now. I'm back on my Instagram. Let me go back to my profile over here and let's wait together and see if I'm going to get the followers since I've completed the requirements. So as we see here, I'm getting all the followers added on this account because I completed all the steps required. So thank you for watching. Yeah, please follow for more videos like this.